gauge along the Millstone River in Somerset County remains above 12 feet, which is moderate flooding for this location. The water level, however, is starting to crest. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately. Be especially cautious at night, when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If flooding is observed, act quickly. Move up to higher ground to escape flood waters. Do not stay in areas subject to flooding when water begins rising.
Oh my God.
Are the current conditions. As of 2 a.m. at Central Park, it was clear. The temperature was 46 degrees, the dew point 19, and the relative humidity 34%. The wind was northwest miles an hour, gusting to 17. The pressure was 30.14 inches.
That scared me the heck out of bed.